Don't mind the sneezes. Ready for these? As you can tell, I finally fixed the sound. The sound finally went away. The car sounds good. I also have something to show you guys. You hear that? Oh my God, that sounds just beautiful. And I have something special to show you guys. That's right, I got myself a Kenwood subwoofer. This thing bumps.